This is the next question. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. So now you have to draw the tangents which are inclined at an angle of 60 degrees. So this question is very important. So now I'll explain you this one. So here first we will draw a circle of radius 5 cm. So that I've taken here. So that's the angle. So we have taken drawn a circle of radius 5 cm. Now we have to draw the tangents which are inclined at an angle of 60 degree. Now you know that if a circle is there and the tangents are inclined at angle of 60 degrees, then you know that sum of these two angles, this angle O, and this angle 60 degree will be 180 degrees. So this angle O plus 60 will be equals to 180 degrees. So from here we will get that angle O will be 120 degrees. So what we will do, we will draw this angle 120 degree at the center, and then we will make an angle of 90 degree at these 2 points, and then we'll be able to make the tangents which will be at an angle of 60 degree. So now we will just draw any radius. So you can, this line you can take anywhere. So I've just taken this radius. Now what I'll do, I'll draw an angle of 120 degree as I've explained you. And making an angle of 120 degree is very easy, and all of you know how to do it. So first you will take an arc, and then you can make this angle is 60 degrees, and then this angle will be 120 degrees. So now I'll join these lines. So here I'll get the angle 120 degree. So now I'll draw at this point and this point, and I'll draw a 90 degree angle. So you know how to do it. So first I've taken an arc, then I've drawn the 120 degree, and then here I've taken the bisector of these two, and we will create the angle that is 90 degrees. So I just have to join this and this point. Now I've already drawn the angle of 90 degrees, so same angle I'll draw at this point as well. So now I'll draw it. So now I've taken the same arc here. So the same angle I'll draw at this point. Now I'll just draw it. So now I've taken that arc also, and now I'll just join this point with this point. So then here we'll get the 90 degree angle, and wherever it will meet, that will give us the tangent. So now we'll just join this line, and here we go. So that's the tangent. So now you can label it if you want. So that's our center, and this is our point A, and this is our point B, and this is the point C. So now this angle is 120 degree because we have drawn it by construction, and this angle is also 90 degree, we have drawn it, and so this angle will be 60 degrees. So that will be the justification of this. So you will just write it.